Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Joseph Peterson, and let's go ahead and start off with your weather for today. Um, as you can see, if we look down the East Coast right now, pretty non-precipitation right now, pretty dry. No precipitation is happening right now, and honestly, it's been expected as that system moves off the coast from South Carolina. It moves off, and we don't have to worry about it no more. So that is a great thing. Expecting a pretty dry day today. But if you go to the west, they're not, as they are still getting hit by this atmospheric river that's been going on for days at this point. I heard reports of somewhere in California it was raining for like 2 days straight, just straight rain for 2 days. So that is pretty interesting. They have not seen the sun in like 3, 4 days now. So it's just pretty insane to hear what's going on over there. And with all that, they're still getting like those heavy wind gusts as well. Las Vegas getting rain, Los Angeles, San Diego, Tucson, Buckeye, places like that. Even up into the Seattle and Boise and Idaho Falls region is also getting that as well. We also do have some ice up here inside of Minnesota as well. Um, Now, going on ahead and talking about our next thing, our cloud cover. So, as you can see, if we go on ahead and look at the cloud cover for right now, it is pretty tame again, just like rain. Not really any clouds in the sky. We do have like this line of clouds that's coming through Myrtle Beach and off at the coast of Charleston and things like that. So you may see that in like the distance if you're near the coast. But other than that, if you look outside, it's sunny out there. So that is a great thing to hear after this storm system moves out of the way. And that's just cool how that looks on satellite if you look at it. Here we are with our current temperature 45, 43 in Columbia, 42 in Florence, 43 in Myrtle Beach, 45 in Charleston, 45 in Savannah, and 44 in Augusta. Now going down to our south, 54 in Orlando, 51 in Gainesville, 50 in Jacksonville, 50 in Tallahassee. To our west, 45 in Macon, 44 in Atlanta, 41 in Athens, 44 in Birmingham, 47 in Montgomery, 42 in Huntsville, and 47 in Baton Rouge, 51 in New Orleans. And then to our north, 39 in Charlotte, 40 in Fayetteville, 42 in Wilmington, 38 in Raleigh, 41 in Knoxville, 40 in Memphis. Here is our maximum temperatures for today. Maximum temperature is going to be around the mid to high 50s in the Midland, 57 in Columbia and Sumter, 55 near Myrtle Beach and Florence, 58 up in the upstate, 59 near North Augusta, 57 near Charleston. So we're seeing that trend again where if the more you get up to the upstate, the more higher temperatures you're going to have compared to everyone else, which is pretty interesting to see that happen. But since there's so much more inland, since y'all are so much more inland, and there's and we are seeing some above average temperatures through, the water stabilizes the coast, so y'all are going to be more unstabilized, and actually receive the higher temperatures. So going into our max wind gusts, we can still see a good 30 miles an hour near the coast. 28 to 30 all the way through the Midlands through Florence, 25 up in the upstate, 21 to 25 near Augusta as well. So max wind gusts today. We can see some nice breezy conditions, especially the closer to the coast you are. Um, Maybe even in the upstate, y'all can see a breeze or two as well. Here's our 24-hour precipitation totals. As you can see, no precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. All of that's going to be at our coast or at Florida. And here's the radar too that shows it, the models. So we push it forward. You see those storms trying to get onto Florida. As you can see, you just saw it hit Florida right there. And we continue to push this forward. And look at this. Absolutely no precipitation. We are under a high pressure right now. That is a great thing to hear, as we have no precipitation pretty much for the next 45 hours, pretty much. Um, Here is our store prediction center for today. We have a TSTM for the Southwest, for the Desert Southwest, Southern California, Nevada, and Western Arizona as well as Southwestern Utah. And then we also have a marginal and a slight risk, the slight risk being the yellow for Los Angeles and Phoenix, Arizona as well. So they are still not are done with this just yet, but they will get a bit of a break tomorrow going into Thursday as well. I think that there is a marginal risk in the day 2 somewhere, but it's not showing on that map. But if you look at the day 3, there is a little marginal risk, so they will be kind of out of it, and that storm system will be moving on east. And I think that's gonna about wrap it up. Yep, that is. So thank y'all so much for watching this video this morning, this forecast, and I will see y'all this evening with another weather update.